So let's put this all together and show you how this all works, right? So now that we've got our iPad here, my little mirroring of the iPad of what my ordering taking would be, and my Facebook page open here. So I'm just going to kind of show you how this whole thing works, the magic of Jumper and Square and everything all together. Okay, so it's going to go to checkout. You'll see my screen here. Then I'm just going to go over to my Messenger and start this whole ordering process here, right here. So I'm going to say order, and it's going to introduce me to things. Say, great, happy day. Let's get this thing going. I say yes, great, awesome. So I am going to dine in because the pickup is going to take time for it to be sent, and I want to show you right away. So I'm going to pick my thing, and today I think I'm going to do a $5 lunch, right? It tells me the location for the customer, and now they're going to take my order. I'm going to add the Monday sandwich, place one of these, order there, Sprite, Pepsi, Sun, whatever. Add it to cart. I'm going to place my order. Right, it's going to place my order. It's going to ask me a few more questions here, such as probably putting my card in and everything as I do that. My mobile number, when I set this thing up, I ask it to do my mobile number. It's pulling it from Facebook, so that's what's really nice about Facebook. It captures a lot of your information, and it's saved in the memory. So here is the order kind of thing, what it was, right? The sandwich, the drink, Sprite, chips, everything from the modifiers. I'm not going to pay myself a tip. And then it's a total 10 cents, which is the cheapest thing. So I'm going to add my card. So when you go to add a card, as you can see here, it's going to be right in it's going to be from Square. So it's going to tell the customer right here, as you can see, Square, right? And from there, they can order up, you can order up the Square from here. And what you do is you'll put your credit card in the first time from this, and I'll put my card in because once it's done the first time, it will remember you. So I'm going to just put this. I'm going to pause this a second so people don't see all my credit card information. So now I've got my name in there, my email address, everything else. I'm going to hit go, and it's going to do my charging from here, and I'll get a confirmation that it was charged in a second. But this is all going into Square. So what's really nice is that there's no tablet needed, and then boom, there it is. There's the order that just came from Jumper into your Square register, which is awesome, right? And so then as you look, it's like, great, I get the happy thing. I get an order confirmation knowing that was sent to my email. I'm going to get alerted when it comes, the happy dance. And then because I set it for 5 minutes, I will do that. So then I can go into view my order, right? Here it is. I say mark it as ready. It doesn't matter if I mark this as ready over here, because what will happen is that when I mark it as ready, we're already keeping track of that with Jumper. And then what we'll do, it will send out an email. It will send out a message to Messenger for that. So I can mark this as ready, and then mark it as ready for pickup. I can do that kind of stuff, or I can leave it there. And then when they do come in, pick it up, I can mark that off as pickup, so it will show up in your orders here as here. And if I had turned on the remote printing right here, then what would have happened is I wouldn't have gotten that order, this order popping up on the screen here. It would have just printed to the receipt printers in either in the kitchen, in the front. So you have an option. It's the only two options you have, either to have it pop up on the screen and then do that, or not. And so if you if you decide to not have the printer print, then it will store the orders in your orders things, and then you'll just have to know to check orders, from this side to let you know that there's things going on over there. So on orders, and then basically I just do that, and then that is it. Square with Jumper, super simple. And then I'll just show you, as you can see, all the transaction. Here's that sandwich that was just there. I can go back and issue refund like I'm normally doing. I can select it on all the items. I can say next, right? In refund, there's the card that was it, the last 4 digits. I can say accidental charge, refund, and then done. But what's also nice about this is that you can look at your customers, and then you can see all the people. So you can type in Andrew, and then you can see here's my information, right, of my email, which is awesome. So now you can take that, use that for retargeting campaigns on Facebook, use those for email campaigns, and send out offers and coupons with Jumper for that, so people then can redo this. So this is a fantastic way to grow your user base, repeat customer base, increasing and knowing what they are, you know what I mean? And so this is kind of really, it's pretty awesome on that kind of stuff. And you can see, what I purchased, when I purchased, the days of that kind of stuff. So this is really, huge data that you can then use and make notes and do things like that. So that's it. That's Square with Jumper